This is the coolest video I've seen in a while. This kid is amazing. This kid is the next whoever climbs mountains really well. But seriously, this kid is the best refrigerator climber I have ever seen. Here he goes. Oh, no way. He's leaving his car behind. Now he's climbing the fridge with one freaking hand while dragging a toy car along that's the same size as him. But who the heck are these parents that are actually filming this whole thing while their little kid is climbing up a fridge with one hand? Anyways, most amazing kid I've ever seen.